Welcome to my kitchen, Cecelia whole world. How are you doing today? In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I made this low budget shrimp fried rice. Yeah, it is super delicious. It is yummy. It is nutritious. It is healthy. And this is actually a good recipe for your family. Come along, let's dive in into how I made this delicious, healthy, low budget shrimp fried rice. I hope you're gonna try this recipe. Yeah. Okay, to make this yummy, healthy, nutritious recipe, I did couple of things. So I used couple of ingredients. The first ingredient I used was shrimp. I have my veggies. I have my chicken broth, which I have here. I have the green peas. I have the cut spring onions. Yes, I have the curry powder, the seasoning or chicken, and this is my fried rice. Yes, I fried this rice. I stir fried it in vegetable oil, and this is almost ready. Yeah. So the next thing I did was to add some broth into the already made fried rice. This is chicken broth. I added that bit by bit. Then I stir this together and I cover this to steam up because you don't want to add too much of the broth so that your fried rice will not become soggy. So you have to add this little by little and steam it up and come back. So that is what I did. After a few minutes, I came back, checked the texture of the rice. It was still very, very hard. So I added more chicken broth into this and I steam for another 5 to 10 minutes. Yes. And you want to do this on very slow heat so that you don't burn your fried rice. So while that is going on, I started preparing my fried vegetables. Yeah. I added the carrots, I added the green peas, I added the spring onions into this. And I mixed everything together. You actually want to do this on low heat so that you don't denature your vegetables. So I added the cut spring onions. You can also use green bell pepper, but because I'm out of green bell pepper, so these are the ingredients, the vegetables that I will be using. So the next thing I did was to add my shrimps. Yes, you can actually substitute the shrimps for another thing, but this is another form of protein. I added into this fried rice, and this is actually good for all ages. And I added a seasoning. The first thing I added was the nut chicken. I added some salt. I added some curry powder, and I mixed everything together. Yeah. While this is going on, I still have my fried rice steaming in another pot. So I stir this together. You want to cook this on very low heat so that you don't denature the nutrients of your vegetables. So this is done. The next thing I did was to add the already steamed fried rice into this already made sauce. So that is the steamed fried rice. Remember, you want to do this on low heat so that you don't denature the nutrients in your fried rice. So I added the steamed fried rice into this and I stir everything together. And this is done. Boom. And this is how I made my low budget shrimp vegetable fried rice. This is very, very healthy, good for all ages. And this is me trying to make this look good. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Do you think this is a budget friendly shrimp fried rice that you would try for your family? Again, this has all the nutrients, vitamins that your family needs to grow. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Until next time, when I come your way, keep eating healthy. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. I love you all. Bye for now. Thank you. Enjoy.
On low budget. Subscribe for more healthy lifestyle recipe. Love from Cecelia O World. Welcome to my kitchen, Cecelia O World Kitchen. I cooked a low budget shrimp fried rice. Come along, let's learn about how to make this delicious, nutritious recipe. Super yummy, healthy, vegetable shrimp fried rice. on low budget. Subscribe.